Hello everyone. So in this video we'll be talking about cell division. We'll be discussing some previous year board questions from the chapter cell division again. So we have already in my previous video we have already done the important topics from the chapter cell division, and herein we start with the previous board questions. Now this video will give you an idea that what type of questions are asked in the board papers, and of course कुछ थोड़ा बहुत चेंज होता है, otherwise the mode of and type of question remain the same. So before we start, a request to everyone to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. If you have not, if you have done, very good, and thank you to everyone. Let's start with the syllabus first. Now as you can see, when we when we see the course or the syllabus, the chapter is cell cycle and cell division. I have just covered cell division there, but I'll be discussing it as a whole, the whole basic biology वाले 3 chapters, cell cycle, cell division and structure of chromosomes. क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें जो questions होते हैं वो it comes from either of the topics. So we have the stages of cell division, or you can say the stages of mitosis. Then we have basic understanding of meiosis, थोड़ा सा portion है meiosis का. Difference between mitosis and meiosis is there. Then we have idea about homologous chromosomes, significance of major difference between mitotic and meiotic cell division, and then we have structure of chromosome. Structure of chromosome के बारे में अभी ये वीडियो के बाद आपका लाइव सेशन में लूंगी for a worksheet practice, and then the next video will be for structure of chromosomes, important topic. Now let's see cell division. A general thing which you should know is that one stage from mitosis आना ही आना है. That comes in a diagrammatic question. That means the diagram is there in the paper, and then you have to answer the questions which are there from that diagram. Then we have a few questions, 1 mark questions from meiosis and even mitosis for that matter. And there are certain scattered questions, as in मतलब अगर बोलो तो 5 mark का पूरा diagrammatic question. उसके बाद कुछ एक आध ऊपर नीचे questions are also there from the chapter. So अगर total कुल मिला के बोलूं तो around 5 to maybe 6 to 7 marks paper is from the chapter. Now we have the first question here. Now these are the screenshots which I have taken from the previous board papers. It's board 2019. Now herein, as you can see, a stage is given. Abhi we have already done the stages. If you can identify which stage is this. So this is early anaphase. So identify the stage. You just have to write anaphase here. No early and late. This I have been telling repeatedly. Is it a plant or an animal cell? अब आपको देख के पता चल रहा है it's an animal cell because it does not have a cell wall. ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद give reason to support because it does not show a cell wall. Neat है. Now next is third part is draw a neat label diagram of the stage which follows the stage. अब अगर आप early late करोगे तो आपका question का answer will go wrong. So herein we have to draw a labeled stage of telophase. How many chromosomes will each daughter cell have after the above division takes place? That will be equal number of chromosomes because it is a equational division. तो यहाँ पे आप क्या लिखोगे? You count. It's 4, no? तो आपका daughter cell will also have 4 chromosomes. Name the 4 nitrogenous bases. Now this question is from the structure of chromosomes, where we will talk about nitrogenous bases. So आप देख रहे हो उन्होंने cell division और structure of chromosome को mix and match. So what I mean to say is ये पूरा एक unit है. This is considered as one unit. So the questions can mix and match also. So this is one question. This type of questions. अब यहाँ पे stage change क्या हो सकता है? They can change the stage. Stage कोई सी और बना दी. Question में उल्टा थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे कर दिया. We'll see some more questions here. As you can see in this question, we have metaphase here. ये भी 5 mark question है. And then there are questions which follow. Identify the stage, give reason for your answer. Now simple. Metaphase में ये वाला question पूछ सकते हैं, anaphase में पूछ सकते हैं. Give reasons for your answer. Metaphase, it's clearly visible that the chromosomes are arranged in an equatorial plane. So you need to mention that. If you name the stage which is depicted, what is the unique feature which is observed? Name the stage of the cell division that occurs during replacement of old leaves. Now, when I say replacement of old leaves, we talk about mitosis. When I say formation of gametes, we talk about meiosis. So, आपको लिखना है mitosis and meiosis. So, what I mean to say is the in diagrammatic or structural question, it's a 5 mark question. The diagram can change, stages change हो के आ सकती है, but question same रहेंगे. आप कोई सा भी पिछला बोर्ड पेपर उठा लो, you will see a question from cell division for sure. ठीक है जी. So let's see 2017 वहां पे भी क्वेश्चन आया है. दिस इज लेट एनाफेज, एनाफेज है. अब देखो इसमें इन्होंने क्या किया, लेबलिंग दे दिया डायग्राम में. सो यू नीड टू लेबल 1 2 3. व्हाट आर द लेबलिंग्स? 1 इज सेंट्रियोल, 2 इज स्पिंडल फाइबर्स एंड 3 इज क्रोमैटिड. अच्छा यहां पे दिस, रिमेंबर दिस, अगर पूरा क्रोमोसोम है, लाइक फॉर टिल मेटाफेज, अगर उसकी लेबलिंग है इट इज क्रोमोसोम. उसके बाद एनाफेज के जब हाफ हो जाता है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज क्रोमेटिड. इट विल बी लेबल्ड एज क्रोमेटिड. ठीक है. फिर आइडेंटिफाई द स्टेज, नेम द फॉलोइंग, व्हाट इज द क्रोमोसोम नंबर ऑफ द सेल, यू काउंट. आपको ये नहीं बताना है कि ह्यूमन सेल में कितने होते हैं, उसने बोला है कि ऑफ द सेल जो ऊपर दिया है, तो इट इज 4. ड्रॉ नीट एंड लेबल डायग्राम सेल ऑफ द स्टेज विच कम्स नेक्स्ट. सो दिस इज टेलोफेज अगेन, एंड देन नेम द स्टेज ऑल्सो. 16 में भी क्वेश्चन आया हुआ. अब यहां पे देखो प्रोफेज है, और उन्होंने क्लियरली मेंशन करा है कि न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन डिसअपियर हो रहा है. सो इट इज लेट प्रोफेज. फाइन. सो आइडेंटिफाई, गिव रीजन, ड्रॉ नीट डायग्राम ऑफ द सेल इट वुड अपीयर नेक्स्ट टू दिस स्टेज, एंड नेम ऑल्सो. In what 2 ways is mitotic division in animal cells different from mitotic in plants? The difference is that in plants, cell plate formation takes place. In animal cells, it is cytokinesis or division of the cell membrane. Name the type of cell division that occurs in growth of the shoot. Growth of shoot हो रहा है, तो it is growth. It is due to mitosis. Formation of pollen grains. Pollen grains are gametes. It is due to meiosis. A few examples now herein. ये पिछले जितने भी थे सारे स्ट्रक्चरल. अब इसमें स्ट्रक्चरल में देखो सिंपल सा लॉजिक है बेटा. आप सारे स्टेजेस लर्न कर लो. यू लर्न ऑल द स्टेजेस बाय हार्ट. प्रैक्टिस देम, प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस. आपको no one will say draw all the stages. They will give you a 5 mark question just like this. They'll give you any of the stage and then ask you questions. Fine. So if you know the stages, if you know their characteristics, you will be able to answer each and every question. There are few examples of scattered questions जो इधर उधर questions आते हैं. Like for example ये MCQs हैं. The cell with 5 pair of chromosomes after meiotic division, कितने हो गए उसमें? Mitosis के बाद 5 ही रह जाएंगे वो. In human male, sperms will contain what? X and Y. It's a human male sperm, so it will have X and Y chromosomes. Fine, both X and Y. So इस तरह से MCQs में question पूछ लेते हैं. This is also a condition in which pair of chromosomes carry similar alleles of pair, उसको homologous बोलते हैं. A complex consisting of DNA strands, ये हम अगली वीडियो में करेंगे. ये दोनों questions are from structure of chromosomes. That is this second one is where DNA strand and histone, that's known as a nucleosome. In our next मतलब upcoming video where we'll talk about structure of chromosomes, we'll do these. Now in these, अब एक और क्वेश्चन इसमें से पूछा जाता है सेल स्टेजेस में से. आपको यू हैव टू लर्न द स्टेजेस इन अ सीक्वेंस. समटाइम्स दे गिव यू नेम ऑफ द स्टेजेस एंड दे आस्क यू टू, वो जंबल करके देते हैं, दे आस्क यू टू अरेंज. दिस ऑल्सो क्वेश्चन कम्स फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर. सो अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, लेट्स सी what type of questions. One for sure 110% diagrammatic question where a stage will be there with 5 questions. Second, there are scattered questions. MCQs में आ सकते हैं, one liners में आ सकते हैं, rearrange the following में आ सकते हैं. These questions from this unit, that is cell division, cell cycle and structure of chromosome. Now thank you everyone. In our next video we'll also solve the questions. As I told you, it will be a live session. You please hit the bell icon for further notifications and please share the video as much as possible. Thank you all for your best wishes, for your help, for you being with me. Thank you.